So just got the construction driveway done. Here's a nice video. We're gonna take a nice long walk. So the first culvert pipe that we put in was right here at the road. And then we put some fabric down after digging it out. All 2-inch crusher run. Minus this area right up here. We decided to put a load of 1-inch crusher in here. Make it compact a little bit better and a little bit harder. We'll say roughly between 800 and 900 ton of stone. Had a bunch of dirt piles right here on the side that we leveled out, kind of smoothed off this area. This was an old farmer's field. Right up here around this corner is where we ended up taking some of the hedgerow out. Right about in this area. Then the first change order that we had was the customer wanted a pull-off that went around these 2 trees right here. So we excavated this area right here and put a pull-off in. Then the second change order we had was, and we're coming up to it, another culvert pipe. A little bit bigger than the first one that we installed. This one right here is a 48-inch by 20 foot long, just for this little creek right here. When the water's flowing, it makes a nice little waterfall. Came up to the creek and found us a nice little waterfall. Now we got to install a culvert pipe, get across this area. And then this right here area was nothing but really big pine trees. So we ended up taking all the pine trees right here out, digging out all the stumps. And then right here we installed another culvert pipe, way smaller than the other one there. This one's only a 12-inch. Removed all the dirt piles that we had built up right here. Now remember, this is only a construction driveway. Actually got it pretty good. Once the customer starts his house build and gets that all done, we'll be back to top everything with 1-inch crusher run, give it a nice smoother surface. Really no sense of doing it right now if you're going to have all the big construction equipment coming in. And then through this hard woods right here, we took down, maybe 40, 50 trees. One's probably about that tall, if not taller. I think the biggest tree that we took down was, I want to say maybe 100 plus feet. And then we're coming up to the end of where he wanted us to stop. And made a nice little parking spot for him. All right, so that's the big project that we were working on. Job is complete.
Now I'm bulletproof. You might find you're gone, but I'm flying high. I'm bulletproof. Don't let me touch the ground. You can never bring me down. You can never bring me down. Can never bring me down.
Alright, see you later, Dan. Hey, Dad.